Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy weeknight chicken tacos. This is a delicious dinner that's super easy to put together, which makes it perfect for even the busiest of weeknights. Plus, it's one that everybody in the family will love. You'll need 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. This week they only gave me 3, so that's what we'll work with today. Or you can use 6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Then pour on 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and preferably you'd use smoked paprika, but either will work, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, and then 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper and cayenne pepper to add a kick. Then we're gonna just toss these all together so that the chicken is well coated. You can cook this right away or let it sit while you prep your toppings for your tacos. I keep things pretty simple. We have some diced red onion, some diced Roma tomato, some chopped cilantro, and a little bit of crumbled cheese. And of course you'll need some tortillas. Get a large heavy skillet heating on the stove over medium-high heat and we're ready to cook our chicken. We don't need to add any additional fat to our pan because the olive oil that we added to our little seasoning mixture will be enough. So go ahead and place those into the skillet. Chicken breasts need to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, but actual cooking time is always dependent on the size and thickness of your chicken breasts. If your breasts are particularly thick, it may be a good idea to pound them out a little thinner or reduce the heat to medium to finish cooking. If you're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, you may need to add a little bit of time onto that, just depending on the size and thickness of those thighs. You need to cook chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I always recommend using a thermometer to ensure 100% accuracy. So these are almost done. Then transfer them all to a cutting board. Then you'll want to slice or dice these. Diced is a little bit easier for my kids to eat. Really, it's just a matter of personal preference whether you want the sliced over here or the diced. The toppings are ready to go, so we are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.